welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my updated summer 2023 makeup routine. As here in the UK, it is getting warm and I love makeup, but I don't want my makeup to be so heavy throughout the day as I'm gonna sweat and my makeup's gonna move, and I'm gonna help you to figure out how to apply some makeup in the summer, feeling gorgeous, feeling glowy, without looking like an oily mess. Before I get into it, remember to like this video if you enjoy it or like the makeup look, and to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and makeup fun. But without further ado, let's jump on into the video. So first, I'm just going to put my hair back and let's get to it. This is going to be more of a chill video, kind of get ready with me because I'm getting ready to go out. Thought I would record it, but also you might need help for summer makeup. But first things first is SPF. I like to go in with the Bondi Sands one. I'm liking it, but I also want to try some new ones as I do think it is a little bit more greasy than others, I guess. So that's why I don't moisturize as well as put an SPF on, as if I do moisturize as well underneath makeup, it just becomes a bit of an oily mess for me. But let's rub that in. Now that SPF is on, it's time to prime. And for summer, I like to kind of spot prime, especially the way my skin is at the moment. So I go in with a poreless powder. Go in with a poreless putty primer for my T-zone as my skin is a bit textured at the moment. And then I go for a more gripping primer everywhere else. So yeah, this is the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, which I'm very running low on, but I don't know if you've seen, e.l.f. has bought a liquid poreless primer, which is meant to be similar to this, but as a liquid. I really want to get my hands on it, but you know what it's like when new makeup is released, everything gets sold out so quickly. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mint Melt Primer, which I don't do anymore, but they do the Power Grip Primer, which is basically the same, just without the minty smell. And then I rub that into my cheeks and a bit on my forehead. Next, I'm going to set my brows first, so they can be in place and I can remove any excess product and they can dry down before I want to fill them in. But I'm going to be doing this with the NYX Brow Glue. And please do not judge me of like how it's kind of icky inside. It's because I mix it with my brow product, like the color sometimes, so it's kind of brown color. But I'm just going to run this through the brows and then brush them up into place. So for the summer, I do like lighter brows instead of something thick. I normally just go for the thick pomade brows when I go out. During the day, I want some nice sculpted brows to lift my face. For this makeup look today, we are going to be doing some underpainting, as I feel like you can get a sculpted, structured face with not so much makeup on, and it's just perfect for the summer. But I do with each step individually. I don't put all the product on my face and then blend. I put a bit of product and then blend. So let's go for it. First, I'm going to start with bronzer, and this is the Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Caramel Chisel. So I just apply this where I usually would. Very simple like that, and then I just tap out the product with a brush to blend. But I don't over blend it at this point. Like you can see, it's still like a chunk of bronzer. But when we go over with a light coverage foundation, honestly, it's just like chef kiss. And this means we don't have to put much foundation on at all. It will just kind of seamlessly blend over the top. It just means we're putting less product on. It may not look like it now, but it is, because usually you would put a whole layer of foundation on and then concealer and blush on top, and then this just works better in my opinion. Next, I'm going for the highlight portion, so I'm going to apply a light concealer, and I'm going to be using the HMB Cosmetics Soft Airbrush Finish Concealer in the shade 0.5. So I really like this concealer as it is quite full coverage, more of a thicker consistency, so it's perfect for underpainting. If you use more of a light coverage one, I'm not sure how well that will work, but give it a try. And now let's just blend it out. I think it's crazy that in this UK, our best weather actually always comes in like end of May, June, and then August it kind of turns rainy. Do you reckon it'll be like that this year, or do you reckon there's a nice weather it's gonna stick? Because according to the forecast, I think it's gonna rain next week. It's been what, like a week and a half of nice weather, and the rain is coming already. But ta-da, that is that blended. And now let's add some blush. I'm wearing this cute little corally dress today, so I'm gonna do that with blush so it all matches. And to do that, I'm going in with the blush by Made by Mitchell in the shade Can't Cope with Coral. You know what I mean, it's just the only one that makes sense for this outfit. So let's apply it to the high points of our cheeks. I do apply a bit extra because it is underpainting and I do want this blush to show. And now let's blend. This makeup look is also super quick and easy. Everything is pretty much cream and it's just stunning, in my opinion. Next, you want to pick up a nice light coverage foundation. A serum foundation is best. I really like the L'Oreal True Match foundation. It's like, it basically adds a little color but like blends everything together. I'll show you, but I'm running out so I can't do the aesthetic like drip. I'm going to have to use my hands for this one, so don't mind me getting some of that out. I will definitely get some more. So I get about a pipette full on my hand, pick some up on the brush, and then just tap it in everywhere. It's super cooling as well because of the hyaluronic acid, which is perfect for this look. Is it hyaluronic acid? Yeah, it's hyaluronic acid. For some reason, I always feel weird when I say hyaluronic acid. Like, I don't think I want to put acid on my face, you know? But yeah, it just confuses me. But I'm not a scientist. But look, so goes on so easily, and it like blends everything out nicely. And where it is a serum foundation, it does feel like nothing's on my face, which is the best part. You may be thinking I am looking a bit shiny, a bit glowy, and that's correct. I have put a lot of cream products on my skin, which means it's quite light and it's really comfortable, but I want to get rid of this shininess as I'm not about that. I like some glow, but I'm more of a matte or natural glow. This is extra glowy, but if you like that, you can go with it. So next, let's set it with quite a bit of loose powder. And for this, you'll need your favorite loose powder. Mine is currently the e.l.f. HD finishing powder, and the way to apply it is a powder puff. Just do it, it's so much better. Or go for a damp beauty blender if you haven't got a powder puff, as if you use a brush, the bristles doesn't pick up the powder evenly, so you're not going to apply it that evenly to your face. So I've got some product on the powder puff, and I'm going to start under the eyes and apply it like so. So I apply a generous amount under the eyes. This is because this is where I crease, and then it also helps to like carve out my nose a little bit. If I go slightly on the nostril, it just makes me look like I have a skinnier nose. Then I like to apply it to the middle of my forehead and then even it out over the forehead. I like to apply a stroke just underneath the cheekbone on both sides, as that like really chiseled the face, making it look like really sculpted, and I love that. And then with the excess, just bounce it everywhere, kind of beat the face up a little bit. Sticking with the really simple summer look, let's jump on to the eyes next. And I'm gonna keep it very simple and just put some bronzer in the crease. This is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Picking some up on the fluffy brush. This is the M433, if you're wondering, from Morphe, but it's just little and fluffy. Use whatever you want. Put the brush in the crease and swipe backwards and forwards, and then circle motions at the end, just to like fan it out or spread the product. So easy and so quick, because I know it's really warm in the summer. You could do this even on holiday, or you could do this whenever, but like when it's warmer, I don't want to spend ages doing my makeup because I want to be out in the sun. I don't want to be sat inside all the time, because in the UK we do not have aircon, so it's stuffy. But I say that, and then it's warmer outside than it is inside. Yeah, I don't know. And then let's just do the exact same on the other eye, and I'll cut this out because I'm rambling way too much. If you are a subscriber and you've been watching my videos, I have to apologize for my consistency at the moment. I'm not really uploading on a regular routine. It's just kind of a bit random. I do try to post every Tuesday, but at the moment I can't get the content out in the right time, and instead of waiting a week, I just post it randomly. Hopefully it's not too much of an issue. As it is, I'm so sorry, and hopefully I'll get better at it soon. Right, now I'm looking at myself and I feel like my brows are a bit weird. So the brow gel has set, and now let's fill them in. And I'm going to be using the Refy pencil in medium brown. Just want a really thin tip pencil where you can draw fake hairs into your brows. It is that easy. And where they're already dried down in place, you do not have to do anything. Just lightly draw some hairs. Now I'm just going to apply a thin layer of mascara to my lashes because I like having mascara on. That's why I'm doing this. And I'm not going to make it super heavy because, again, as you know, as I keep saying, in the summer, I don't like to wear that much mascara. That much makeup in general. I do recommend wearing a waterproof mascara during the summer because you might be in a pool or you might be sweating a lot and you don't want your mascara to smudge. But for me, currently I'm not using a waterproof one. I'm just using this Sephora Big by Definition mascara. I don't know, there's something about waterproof mascaras, like the way it clings to my lashes, I don't like. So if you can recommend a good waterproof one, please let me know. Next, I'm going to apply some highlighter because I do want a little shine, but this is more of a glitter shine instead of like an oily, greasy shine. But I literally apply a tiniest dot on my cheeks and a little bit on my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And then we can get a pencil brush. Actually, I just got this little brush here, pick up some, and inner corner highlight. Oh, it's just beautiful. Opens up your eyes so nicely, and I think it goes really nicely with the bronzer because you got bronzed cheeks and like highlighted cheeks. It just like, I don't know, it's like quite a unison look, and I love that. Debating for an eyelash because I am a sucker for an eyelash. Like, I love fake eyelashes, but I will put something lighter on if I do that. But first, let's do the lip and then we can decide. So I'm going to line my lips with the Peaches and Cream lip liner in the shade Feline. This is like a very pinky peach, but yeah, I'm gonna lip line my lips and then apply some gloss, but I can't talk while lining my lips or otherwise I'm not gonna get a straight line. So I do like to overline my lips because I don't have very thick juicy lips and I don't want to get any lip filler, so we fake it until we make it, and this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna apply some melon sorbet into the center of the lips, just a little bit to blend it out. And it's kind of a nice peachy color which goes with my blush and my dress. So let's just pat that together. And then I like to add a butter gloss, and this is the butter gloss from NYX, and this is in the shade Fortune Cookie. It's a very nudie colour, but over this lip combo it just goes really nicely. Just apply a little bit and blend it out, because if I apply loads then it will like overtake the colour. See, it's just such a light kind of summery nude pinky peachy lip. I don't know how to summarise. If you know a name for the lip, write in the comments because I don't know what to call it. But lastly, I am going to add some eyelashes. I'm just going to add some Ardell Wispy Lashes. Ardell, still waiting to hear from you. But anyway, okay, let me just apply them and set the look, and then we'll be back to finish and discuss how I look. So I just applied an Ardell Wispy Lash and I love it because I love long lashes. If you don't apply lashes because I know they can be annoying to wear, and especially in the summer because it can be quite heavy, but I wear them a lot so I'm used to it. And you might be wondering, why the hell am I waving this around? But this is what I also set my face with, which is the Brushworks Dewy Set and Mist, which I love, and it smells, I don't know, floral, peachy, delicious. That's how I explain it. But yeah, here is the finished look. Let me know what you think of the look in the comments and if you have any questions. And this is the end of the video. I hope you have a great summer, as I'm hoping you're watching this video because you're interested in summer makeup. And yeah, I hope you have a great summer and this helped. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video or the makeup look. And remember to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and makeup fun. If you want to see what I do, just go check out my channel, as I have a plenty of videos for you to go check out. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It means so much to me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.